In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date to your website using WordPress, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. Adding a date can enhance your site's relevance by letting your visitors know when your content was published or last updated. Plus, it will lend a professional touch to your posts, helping you monitor updates and changes on your site more effectively. So let's dive in and make this a swift and easy process. First things first, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once there, scan the page until you find the login button. Give that a click to bring yourself closer to your dashboard. Remember, having access to your WordPress dashboard is crucial because that's where all the magic happens. If you're not already familiar with it, don't worry. After following these steps, it will become a more comfortable environment for you. Now, after clicking login, the next step is to continue with Google. This is an efficient and secure way to get into your WordPress account, especially if your website is connected to a Google account. Upon clicking continue with Google, a list of Google accounts associated with your browser may appear. Choose the account that's tied to your WordPress site. Selecting the correct account is key to ensure you land in the right place, and you'll avoid complications later on. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the right panel and look for quick links. Among these options, you'll notice a button that says Edit Site. Clicking this will lead you to your website's editor dashboard, where you can start putting creative modifications into action. In the editor, you'll notice an Add button positioned at the top left. This will let you add a variety of blocks to your website and is essential for customizing your site's layout. Clicking on Add will present you with a plethora of options, but for this task, we need to focus specifically on adding a date block. In the search bar that appears, simply type in the word date. This will filter your options and show you blocks related to dates. The next step is straightforward. Once you see the option for the date block, click on it. It's tailored to seamlessly fit into the designated spot in your page or post layout, making it a simple but effective addition. If everything works smoothly, you've now successfully added a date block to your WordPress website. This addition is not only practical, but it also enhances the transparency and professionalism of your site, creating a better experience for your visitors. With practice, you'll become more adept at customizing your site, which can significantly impact your blogging or business endeavors. Keep exploring the various elements WordPress has to offer to create the best possible version of your site.